let's see. Look at that. Got it. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a radio install on the 2002 F250. The radio that's in there right now is really bad. You turn the volume up, it goes down. You turn the volume down, it does whatever it wants. So what we're going to be doing is, we got this from Crutchfield, and we're going to be installing this into the F250. We got all the equipment and everything, and we're also going to try to install the backup camera on this as well. We've got to figure out how to run the wire behind there, so I'll take you guys inside and we'll be able to figure it out together. You guys see the stock radio right there? Pretty bad, probably good for the time, but now it's time to go. So we're gonna take that out and run the new one. All right, guys, so doing an unboxing. Support manual, instructions. Got the kit with everything in it. Wiring harness, some removal tools. That is mounts, more mounts, and we have our backup camera. We have our radio itself, and we opted for an extra long wire in order to run it the length of this monster truck. And instruction manual. So let's see if we can set the camera up inside and show you guys what we're going to be doing. So first step, is to remove this factory radio. So we have these little tools that it came with. Spread them apart.
That was easy.
Yeah. Alright, so we got the factory one out.
Oh, there it goes. And this should just pop right out. There you go.
So what is it now? The factory harness we plug into here.
Right.
This plugs into here.
Plugs in there, and then you gotta solder those wires in there. Now you gotta solder those to those things, and that connects right to the radio.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we have to connect our two wiring harnesses now. So it's all color coded and pretty much labeled already. So we're just going to connect all the colors. They should go together, and we're going to use the same thing we always use, little solder pieces, the heat gun. So I'm going to throw this in a time lapse because this is going to take a while to get this done. Alright guys, so we're plugging in now just to see if it works. We wired it all up, so I'll give you guys a view of that. Just see if we got power or what. Look at that. We got lights. We got a screen. We got cautions. Now what?
Now we got to get the camera hooked up.
Alright, so radio's good. Now we got to do the camera. We got to figure that out somehow. So, stand by.
So if you run the wire down there through the rocker panel.
Well, let's see if it works first. Hang on. Alright, so we just grounded it. Let's see if we can switch to the camera. Boss Audio Systems Elite. Alright. Move it. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah? Okay, so we know how that works.
Alright. So, show you guys real quick what we're doing. We ripped up the carpet a little bit. Had to kind of take these panels off. And there is a grommet under there. You guys see that little cover in the back lifted up? So that goes under. I don't know what it's for, but it actually goes out of the cab under the body. So that's the hole that we're going to be using for the wire. So we're going to snake it down from the firewall there, underneath here, through there, down through the back. Hopefully we have enough wire. If not, we'll figure something else out, but for now this will be good. So we're gonna do that. I'm not gonna be able to film it, but because I'll be under the car, but at least you guys know what I'm doing. So right now what we have to do is connect the reverse input to the actual reverse input wire. So we have the wire coming out here now, and what we need to do is just splice into it. So you guys see that little wire that's hanging down. So we're going to run that through the firewall to the back and be able to kind of just splice into the pink and black wire down there. And that way when we switch into reverse, we'll be able to get the camera to switch on automatically.
Run that through here.
see. The clip, yeah, turn it, there you go. Okay. Alright, moment of truth. Alright, let's see. Look at that. Got it. Camera needs to be mounted still.
Just put in reverse, see what happens.
It's 63 and now been 62 on the boardwalk.
Okay, so we know that's good.
62 at the Jersey Shores.
Alright guys, so we got the thing installed. It doesn't fit flush. Doesn't fit flush here, 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 or here. So we didn't want to shave down the dashboard or anything anymore, so we're not going to bother with that. But just give you guys a quick look at it. Looks good. It works. It's functional. Connect to Bluetooth, be able to get Sirius through the phone. Did not come with a microphone, so I don't know if it's supposed to or not. We got the auxiliary, you got USB, you got an SD card, you got your auxiliary here, looks like as well. Then you pick whatever you want. Bluetooth streaming, your CD if anyone does that. Aux in settings, so be able to go to the camera, no camera selected, so no big deal. But that's what we're working with here, guys. So took a little bit, but we were able to get it done. All right, guys, rain stopped, so we're back out here now. We're going to get this completely done. What we're going to do is we're going to run the camera, the back of the license plate. We're going to get power from this tail light, reverse light, and then we're going to do the connection. We got the extension cord, and we're going to make this good. Alright guys, so we got the wires all connected. We're just going to check the power and make sure that the camera actually works. So it works. Alright, now we're going to connect it. So what we're doing here is we're getting power from the reverse light. So anytime that we go into reverse, the power clicks on and the camera in turn turns on as well. So we're splicing into both of these wires, just making a bit of a connection. They do sell like crimping tools and wire connectors that you can kind of just plug right into it. Makes it a little easier, but we don't have those right now. So we actually put the bracket on the other side of the plate, which comes in the jersey aspect of it, so mounts up perfectly. You got the wire here, and the camera just shows by itself.